Hi there, Happy New Year. Today we are heading northbound on the Northern Line to check out the upgrade works at Kentish Town station and Colindale station on the Northern Line.
All stations to Edgware via Bank. Mind the doors please, this train is ready to depart.
Well, let's have a look at these new escalators at Kentish Town station. These escalators at Kentish Town station are the same ones at Battersea Power Station. They are motion censored going upwards. The entrance to the National Rail at Kentish Town station is still closed, will open later this year. Colindale station has a one-way entry and exit system in place at this minute. The oyster barriers have been removed, so you have to touch out on the pad at the end before leaving the station. You can see they are preparing for the next phase of the Colindale station upgrade. I thought I would take one last look around the platforms before the main overhaul happens at Colindale station. The staircase looks pretty nice, but I'm excited to see it when it's finished. So after a year and a half of closure, Kentish Town station on the Northern Line is reopened. Unfortunately, the National Rail connection is not open yet at Kentish Town. You have to wait a little bit longer for that. I've had a look around Colindale and they're just getting ready for the big work that is due to take place at some point this year. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and we're going to be up to some clip hunting next. Alright, thank you for watching. I'll catch you soon. Bye.